Hello, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. Today I'm making gumbo. So, in 2014, we went to New Orleans for a vacation and we loved the food there. And I've been making gumbo ever since. So, to start your gumbo, you're going to need a half a cup of vegetable or peanut oil. I always use vegetable oil. And once that gets hot in your thick bottom pan, you're going to add in a half a cup of flour, and you're going to whisk that in well. And then I'll switch to my wooden spoon and I'll scrape the bottom as I go, and I'll continuously keep stirring uh, until I get to the color of peanut butter. Now, that was on a medium high heat, and now I'm going to turn that down to lower to about medium low and keep cooking and keep stirring until you get your roux the color of an old penny. Um, at that point, we are going to stir in what we call the Holy Trinity, which is one green pepper, one medium onion, and three celery stalks, all chopped up. Usually, I have this stuff prepared in the freezer, so I just take it out as I need it and throw them in. We're going to put our heat back up to medium high so it's good and hot, your roux, before you add in these cold vegetables. So we're going to put those vegetables in, cook them for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add some garlic. So our four garlic cloves minced up here, and we're going to cook that for another couple minutes. Then we're going to stir in 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Now, if you don't have the Cajun seasoning, on my written recipe, I also have the do it yourself Cajun seasoning mix, so you can mix it up from spices you have on hand. So we have our Cajun seasoning in, and then now we are slowly going to add our hot stock and water, which I've had in another pot here heating up, because you never want to add anything cold to your roux because it will cause your oil and water to separate, and then you'll have to fix that. So it's best to just always add warm or hot stuff to your gumbo as you're making it to avoid that. So once we've added our hot stock into our hot roux, we're going to just bring that to a simmer and then add in some Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now, once we have that at a really good simmer, we're going to add in our meats. Now, for this gumbo, I am using 2 chicken breasts cooked and cut up, 1 bag of shrimp, which was peeled, deveined, and cut into bite sized pieces. And I'm also using 3 smoked sausages. Andouille sausage are best, but I often use the double smoked sausage because that's all I can get. So my meats, I've fried them all up in another pan here together so they're good and hot, and then I'll add them into my hot roux. So We've got that all going, and then now we are just going to let that simmer for another half hour to get the flavors all mixed in well. Once you got that all simmered, you could, and then you're going to serve it over white rice, and you can garnish with some green onions or chives if you like. It's optional. Hope you enjoy and have a good day. Thanks for watching.